Hi, my name is Emily Shankman and I am one of the voice teachers here at Terra Sounds. Today I wanted to show you one of my tips and tricks for one of the things that is the most impactful on your voice, which is tongue tension and jaw tension. It's something a lot of us have because we have stressful day-to-days, or we may not realize how much we're using our mouth throughout the day. So here's a couple stretches that you can do that will really help. Take 2 fingers and you want to just massage along your jaw, right where the joint meets, right here, okay? So you can do that a little bit, and then you can slowly draw your fingers down and use your thumbs to help massage out your tongue, okay? And these will help you to get into good shape to be able to sing.